Diddy is accused of sexual assault by another woman. Rapper Sean Diddy Combs is the target of a new lawsuit brought by April Lampros, who claims to have had 4 terrifying sexual encounters with him between the mid-1990s and the early 2000s. According to the documents, which were submitted to the Supreme Court of the state of New York on Thursday, she first got to know him in 1994 while attending the Fashion Institute of Technology in New York. Mr. Combs is charged in the case with battery, assault, sexual assault, careless infliction of mental distress, and violence motivated by gender. For comment, Mr. Combs has been approached by BBC News, employment as a trainee. The paperwork also includes assertions that the plaintiff has suffered and continues to suffer harm, including physical injury, severe emotional distress, humiliation, anxiety, and other consequential damages, for which she is entitled to an award of monetary damages and other relief. Arista Records negligently deemed Mr. Combs was fit to be in a position of authority, and/or that Mr. Combs would not commit acts of sexual assault, and/or that Mr. Combs would not injure others, according to records filed while Miss Lampros was an intern there. Defendants Bad Boy Records, Arista Records, and Sony Entertainment have all been contacted by BBC News for comments. Claims made in the documents also date back a few years. He said to Miss Lampros that he had, without her knowing, shot a video of her and Sean Combs having sex. It stated that he showed it to multiple people. Getting over my past, singer Cassie made her first public remarks on Thursday following the discovery of a tape purporting to show Combs assaulting her. The celebrity, whose real name is Cassandra Ventura, claimed that experiencing domestic abuse broke me down to someone I never thought I would become. CNN broadcast the video of the 2016 attack last week. In a lawsuit filed last year, Miss Ventura claimed that her former partner and producer had physically abused her. In an Instagram video, the rapper expressed his regret over the weekend, saying, "I was disgusted when I did it. Now I'm repulsed." Domestic violence is the issue, stated Miss Ventura. "I never imagined being the person I became when it broke me down. I've worked very hard to get to where I am now, but I will never truly be over my past." Raids on Combs' residences. The musician and businessman Combs has been the target of numerous allegations, including one made earlier this week by a model who claimed that he drugged and sexually assaulted her in 2003. In a complaint, Crystal McKinney claimed that Mr. Combs invited her to his New York studio, where he gave her copious amounts of drink and drugs until she passed out. BBC News contacted Mr. Combs' agents at the time to get a statement. In the course of a federal investigation into human trafficking, federal agents raided his residences in Miami, Florida, and Los Angeles last month.